today we're back with another e-bike video. And it has rained heaps. We're at the local today. And I haven't been out on the bike since it rained. I'm not sure how much we got, but it was definitely a lot. It's all pretty damp on the ground. Big storm, trees falling over there. But today we're going to be riding my downhill track called the Gully, which is not very long. I wouldn't say it's downhill bike or anything, but it's got a steep chute at the start, which we're going to ride. And hopefully we're not going to crash, but yeah. I'll pedal over to there now. Got the GoPro. Let's do it. Let's hit them and head over to the track. Let's do it. So wet. Oh, let's do this one. Oh, there's a tree. Oh, bunny hop. Oh, that was sketchy. Roost. Oh, I don't even know. I'm just push bashing at this point. Let's just go down here. Sick. All right, I'm just gonna time lapse myself riding to this track because it's just up there and there's not much to see anyway. Let's do it. We made it here. It's just down there. I just want to say there'll be a new trail video coming out at Mystic soon. I haven't been able to film quite an entire video, but here's some of the stuff that we've been working on the new track at the moment. Boom, looking fresh. This berm is looking sick. Oh yeah. Yeah, there should be a new video about that out soon. But now we're gonna switch over to the GoPro and we're gonna ride this chute. Alright. Let's do it. It's just down here. I might be sliding. This might be sketchy, but we'll give it a go. A few washouts before it, which are pretty fun to jump. Yeah, oh, flat lander. Oh, I just went past it. Too much fun. Oh, dude, it looks wet. You gotta jump off that log there. Oh, quickly just show what it looks like on the camera to be down there. So here it is. This doesn't look too steep on camera. Nothing ever does. But I'll try. Oh, I don't want to slip. This log is so slippery. Oh, alright. So, it looks a bit steeper on camera. Down there. Look at the trees though. It's all green, nice around here. Yeah, alright. Let's give it a go. Let's hope we don't die. My tyres are pumped up pretty hard and the weather might affect that, but let's do it. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, oh, my visor just went down. Holy. Yeah, so that's the chute there. I'm like up here. I couldn't really stop. Now I've got to get back onto the track, but my wheel's stuck in a ditch. All right. Let's just get down here. No, don't. Oh, no. All right. Sick. Yeah, it should be fine just to jump back on here. It's so slippery, I can't even explain. Here we go, back into the
track. Oh, needs to be a gap there or something. This is pretty fun. Oh, that's slippery. Log is slippery. Stoppy around this. Yeah. Oh, stick. Oh. Oh. All right, keep going, keep going. There's a jump up here. It's not that big, but pretty fun. Let's do it. Yeah. Gap. Oh my god, dark. Oh, someone's been forebeing. Yeah, that's the track. It's pretty fun. There's another one like, oh, probably like 6 more kilometers away, which I'll post another video on that soon, which is like 10 times longer, way better, but it's pretty sketchy in the wet, so I'll wait till it dries up and I'll post a video of that. There's this one like step down thing down here, which I'll have a look at because there might be a lake at the bottom, but we'll give that a go. It's not too cooked. Oh, it's windy as. Pretty sick though. It's just here. Oh no, there's no water. Alright, let's send it. So off the road down to that. Miss that tree, hopefully. Alright. Let's do it. Oh, we can go from here. Just pedaling. Yep. Alright. It's kind of scary. You can't really see. We have to jump off. Whoa. That's sick. Back onto the main road now. That was fun. That'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.